Hello, welcome to Living Life with Jerry and Mel. Today we're going to cook up some deer tenderloin. I'm going to get this ready by soaking it in some water to try to get a little bit of the wild taste out, And then after that, Meldy's going to cook us up something. So here we go. And this is a really big tenderloin. We'd never be able to eat all that, so I'm just going to cut it in half. And we'll make 2 meals out of this. How's that sound? Yeah. Looks good.
Cut up some potatoes that we're going to do in our air fryer. I'm just going to cut it up in chunks. I'm going to put some olive oil on them, cut up a little of my fresh rosemary that was on come from my massive rosemary plant. Then we'll put them in the air fryer. In my rosemary and just toss it around. Here's our loin our deer loin that we're going to be doing tonight. So first we're going to season it up with some Grill Mates sweet and smoky rub and some black pepper. So now we've got the loin seasoned, putting it on a little temple bed there. So now I'm going to put some of this Big Green Egg KC Sweet Heat Blend sauce on it. I'm going to put some now. I may put some on after it comes off of the grill. Next will be the onions. I've got them cut up already. And so then I'm just gonna lay them over the top of the loin. Get all of those onions. It's one of my favorite parts. Then we're gonna close it up. Make a little tent for it here so it can hold all the heat and steam in. And you just take this, put that on the grill, and you're good to go.
All right, let's fire up this grill.
Check it in 20 minutes.
Time to preheat.
potatoes and oil and rosemary in the air fryer. Cook for about 7 minutes to start with. To finish it up, we're going to have a little bit of my sourdough bread. That's it. Alright, now we're going to check it. Oh, it looks delicious.
Oh yeah.
The onions are looking good. Still, I think needs a little bit more cooking, but close it back up. Wait just a little bit longer.
Okay.
So about the last 5 minutes of cooking, I'm gonna put the bread here on the grill just so it can heat up and melt the butter. Okay, the deer loin has been on for about 30 minutes now, so it is time to take it up. And our bread, it looks like it is nice and heated, so we're going to take it as well. And turn off the grill. And let's go inside and eat. Alright, so this is our venison loin that we like to do. So, bon appetit. Hey, welcome to night number 2 of Deer for Dinner. So tonight we're going to do some deer tenderloin, country fried loin steak, and with some mashed potatoes, gravy, and a biscuit. So let's get started. I'm going to get some potatoes ready to boil for mashing. Hey, so now we've got all our ingredients here. We've got our deer loin sliced up, we've got our egg and a little milk, and we've got our seasoned flour, which is, we're using Kentucky Kernel. So we're just gonna bread this up and get started.
We've done this before. We have a way of doing this stuff. It's little stations.
Teamwork. looks good.
All right, so that half of a deer loin is going to come out and give us 9 pieces of country fried steak.
We would really deep fry this, but now all we do is we use a little bit of the extra virgin olive oil and lightly fry it more now. So hopefully it's a little more healthy for us.
All right, can you see that? Show them yours.
Deer meat for dinner.
Deer meat for dinner. But we got one more thing and we'll show it to you right now. And what would any southern meal like this be if you didn't have some white gravy on it?
It's delicious.
All right. We'll see you next time. I think the next video we're going to be doing deer meat tacos. Take care.
Hey, welcome to the third night of deer for dinner. Tonight we're going to do some tacos, and so we've got about 1 pound of ground deer meat here, so let's go get it cooked up.
Looking good.
All right, now it's time to try these things and see how they taste.
Mmm. Hit the spot.
Very good.
We're gonna go eat now. Take care.
Bye.